This is some kind of space vehicle, right? Well, what for? Solar probe?
I want you to think beyond that. I want to show you this because I value your contribution to my work.
Well, I'm not certain what that's to be.
Fuel conservation, Dr. Bryce. May be the key to our project. Ask me.
What?
The question you've been wanting to ask ever since we met.
Are you Lithuanian?
I come from England.
Oh, that's not so terrible. Is this a weapon?
A weapon?
Well, it's too small for interplanetary travel.
Assume that it's a weapon. Does that matter to you?
Yeah. If I thought that you were building a weapon, you were employing me to help you, I'd have to quit the project.
Don't be suspicious. I know people think me unnecessarily secretive.
If I were you, I'd be secretive.
Would you be comfortable in here?
I think I'd last about 20 minutes.
And then?
I'd start screaming. Wouldn't everyone? Last night I was watching television. I saw these ex-astronauts. Some of them are basket cases now.
Television. Strange thing about television is that it doesn't tell you everything. It shows you everything about life on Earth. True mysteries remain. Perhaps it's in the nature of television. Just waves in space. Do you trust me, Dr. Price?
I think so.
That's not good enough.
It's the best I can do. Let's put it this way. I want to. You see, Mr. Newton, I'm kind of a cliche. I'm the disillusioned scientist that goes with the cynical writer, the alcoholic actor, and the spaced-out spaceman. A man like you wouldn't understand a guy like me.
I'll try to, Dr. Bryce.
Well, anyhow, per ardua ad astra.
I beg your pardon?
That's Latin.
Latin?
You must know that in England. Royal Air Force, their motto.
Yes.
Per ardua ad astra, through difficulties to the stars.